Now that you have traffic coming to your funnel and you're building a list of subscribers, it's time to start promoting affiliate offers to your subscribers. But first, make sure that you set up a series of automated emails that go to your subscribers immediately after they subscribe. So, for example, on day one, they could have a thank you email and provide a link to your blog or Facebook mastermind group or whatever it is so that they can get to know you better. Okay, so you want to start off on the right foot with your new subscribers. And then you could have an email come out on the second day after they subscribed, and which is basically a follow-up asking them if they've checked out that affiliate product that you recommended in your affiliate funnel. Okay, and then day number three, you could send out an email, an automated email that provides some tips. So you could alternate every other day. You could have one day where you provide content, and the next day could be a follow up recommending that they check out that affiliate offer in your funnel. So you'd want to have anywhere between 5 to 10 of these emails in your autoresponder. Now, if you don't have an autoresponder account, what I recommend is GetResponse. I've been using GetResponse since I started internet marketing. Another autoresponder company that you could use is Aweber. That's one of the top autoresponder companies as well. And there are several others that you could use. So you could just do your research, test them out, and some of these companies do offer free trials. But for now, I recommend GetResponse. After your subscribers have received all of your automated emails, you could start promoting new affiliate offers to them. And for that, I would recommend going to munchai.com to find upcoming product launches. If you're not sure of how to write promotional emails or you're not confident, for now you could just subscribe to other marketers lists so that you could receive their emails and you could see how they write their emails, and then you could get ideas and maybe copy the way that they write the promotional emails. But make sure that you have your own personality in your emails. A lot of people who are new to affiliate marketing and email marketing often ask, how often should they email their list? And depends on who you ask, you'll get different answers. For me personally, I do try to email my list every day because I look at it like you could compare it to a hotel business. If you have a hotel, you want to make sure that all your rooms are booked every day. If one of your rooms or suites is vacant, you're losing money. So that's the way I look at my email list. If I have a day where I don't send out an email promoting something, I feel like I'm losing money on that day. Of course, if I don't find any good quality products to promote, if I can't find anything that's worth promoting, I just won't send anything on that day. But even then, I could try to send a follow-up email for another affiliate offer that I promoted the previous day or earlier in the week.